Okay, so yesterday we talked about, not yesterday, Wednesday we talked about how to find the area of a parallelogram and the area of a triangle. Today we're going to continue talking about different shapes. The first shape, first shape du jour is a trapezoid. Area of a trapezoid, and I'm pretty sure that that is on your reference sheet. Yep. So again, don't focus so much on memorizing the formula. Understand that you will have to know how to apply it. Okay, so the formula is, the area is 1/2 times the height times the sum of the bases. So here in my trapezoid, there's one base. There's another base, and then we can make a height. We do have a vocabulary term. The height of a trapezoid is the perpendicular distance between the bases. Alright, so the reason that we can breeze through this is basically you'll be given the information and you have to plug it in. So I'm not going to do a problem where I give you all the numbers and all you have to do is plug it in, because that's a waste of time. However, I'm going to show you something a little bit different. You notice that it is not possible for you to be worse at drawing than I am. Don't worry, you're a trapezoid. Yep. That's what makes it so much fun. It's like live television. You never know what's going to happen. Okay, so here we have a trapezoid, and we are told that one of the bases is 5 meters, and that the other base is 7 meters, and we want to know what is the area of that trapezoid. Now, what's the problem? What are we missing that's not going to allow us to get the answer immediately? Bill? We're missing the height. You can just put that on the desk. Put the reference sheet. Oh, let's see. What? No, do me a favor and put the reference sheet. Test on top, reference sheet right noted. Okay, so Bill is correct. We're missing a height. So what do you think we're going to do? What do you think we're going to do? If we need a height and we don't have it, what do you think we're going to do? We're going to make one. Instant height. Oh, I wish I had that. Okay, now, in order to find the height, what can we do? Or who thinks they know what we can do? Who has an idea? Let's see if someone else has an idea. Oh, the perpendicular distance between the bases. The height is the perpendicular distance between the bases. All right, Bill, what do you think we should do? Which it is. Because we know it's perpendicular, because it's going to the right angle. We don't need that information. Oh, on the other side of this? Yeah, okay. I know what you're talking about, but it's not necessary. It's unnecessary information. Okay, what did I create by drawing that height?
Square.
Not a square. What else might it be if not a square? A rectangle. Well, it could be a square. Right? But it may not be a square. But what do we know about the point from here to here? No, from here to here. Go ahead. It's 5. How do we know it's 5? Because the point from here to here, from S to R is 5. So if we drew a rectangle and we know that SR is 5, then we also know that this part is 5. And then how long is this little part? 2. Okay, is everybody with me so far? Now, what kind of triangle is that? Nope. What? It's a right triangle. And what are the measures of the angles in this right triangle? 30, 60. You know that this is 30 degrees. So I have a 30, 60, 90 right triangle. Does that mean anything to anybody? Jonathan? It is a special right triangle, that's right. So because it's a special right triangle, we know that there's a special relationship between the sides. Now, it's on, Bill? Not that they're proportional. No. But we learned either a set of ratios for a 30, 60, 90 right triangle, or we learned some equations for a 30, 60, 90 right triangle, which are on your reference sheet. So remember, the shorter leg is equal to x. The hypotenuse is equal to what? Does anybody know? Now, it's on your reference sheet, so if you don't know it, it's okay. The hypotenuse is 2 times the length of the shorter side, and then the longer side is the shorter side times the square root of 3. Okay? So given all this information, how do I figure out the height? Someone else. Given this information, how do I find what h is? I now have all the information I need to find h. Larry? How's that? Is that enough? Can you answer my question? Can anybody answer my question? I've got all the information I need right now. But what do I know? Jonathan, tell me something I know about that 30, 60, 90 right triangle. The shorter leg is 2. So if I know what the shorter leg is, can I find what the longer leg is? So if the shorter leg is 2, how long is the longer leg? 2 times the square root of 3. So isn't this the longer leg? So h, the height, is 2 times the square root of 3. And this is not that difficult, folks. I'm giving you the information. You should be able to tell me what I need to know. All right, now, do I have all the information I need to find the area? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. Tell me what to do. No good deed goes unpunished. Once we have all the numbers, what do we have to do to find the area? Plug them in. Well, I'm gonna erase this. I'm not gonna erase the area formula. Okay, so my area is 1/2. What's the height? What's the height? Not over the square root of 3. 2 times the square root of 3. What's the length of one of my bases? And what's the length of the other base? This is not math. This is reading. Carla, what is the length of the second base in this problem, please? The one that's not 5. 7. Okay. Eve, what do I do next? Or, what would you do next? Here's all the stuff I got. What would you do next? What was the next thing you would do to solve this problem? That's what I would do too. So I do 1/2 times 2 times the square root of 3 times 5 plus 7 is 12. Imani, what would you do next? What would you do next to solve this problem? What would you multiply? Okay, what would you get? Wait. 0.5 times 2. What's 1/2 times 2? A whole. I don't mean a donut hole. 1/2 times 2 is 1. Okay, so now I have 12 times 1 times the square root of 3, which is 12 times the square root of 3. And that's your answer. Yes. No, I got the 2 and the 5 from breaking up to 7. The problem started by telling me that the bottom base was 7. But when we drew the height, it formed a rectangle. The top of my rectangle is 5. Therefore, the bottom of my rectangle is also 5. If the whole thing across is 7, and this part of the bottom is 5, what's left over? 2. Okay, does anybody have any questions? How so? What? What? Didn't hear what you said. Area of a parallelogram and area of a triangle. Okay, roughly either video. Do you have any, but I'm looking for questions on this. Sandra, do you have any questions about this?
Yes, everything. I look at it.
Which part? The part where you plug the numbers in? Or the part where we use the 30, 60, 90 right triangle to find the length of the height?
Let's try one.
I don't get anything. I started copying it when you were in the middle.
Let's try one. Let's try it.
Well, before you, what would be the point of having people try them on their own if they don't understand what we're doing? Don't you think? But what I'm trying to figure out is which is the confusing part.
The number part.
They're all numbers.
They're all numbers.
Exactly. I don't understand. Like the plug, that part you just did.
This? That's plugging numbers into a formula and multiplying. That's the easiest part of the whole problem. Oh, okay.
Like right now.
Yeah. See? See?
And
So
we
it's-
could like walk through it again.
Yeah. I just that's so when they're in the parentheses and beats, is that when the bases are like added together? No, it's all right.
Okay, I see no reason to do a different problem. Just do the same one again. Okay, do you understand so far what we have? Trapezoid. Okay. What do you need in order to find the area of a trapezoid?
Height.
Here's the formula for the area of a trapezoid. B stands for base and H stands for height. So what's missing? The height. So that's the first thing you're going to do. Is you're going to draw height. Okay, now. Oh, I'm sorry. We're also told that this is 60 degrees. That's right. Now, if the whole base is 7, how do I know how much from the red dotted line to the end is? It's 5. How did you know that? So this part is 5. And the other part is 2. Yeah. And that's my height. Okay, now, on your reference sheet, it gives you the relationship of the sides of a 30, 60, 90 right triangle. The short side of a 30, 60, 90 right triangle is x. The hypotenuse of a 30, 60, 90 right triangle is 2 times x. The long side is whatever the short side is times the square root of 3. You're making a face. Why are you making a face?
Where did you get that? Okay. Where did you get that?
From the reference sheet.
Okay, so they're gonna give that. Right. Okay.
But what they're not going to give you is what is the length of the height given that information. So you have to recognize which side of the triangle. Yes, Carl.
Are they always gonna ask us for the height, or are we gonna have to find the base?
Well,
Are we gonna have to find the base if there's a problem with that?
Possible. I don't know what could be asked.
Are we gonna learn that? If not find the base?
You know.
Would we give no article of
I don't think so. I don't think so. Yes. You have to know. You still have to know the height. You can't know the area of the triangle without knowing the height. Because the triangle is 1/2 base times height. And you need the height for the rectangle as well. I know, right?
I have a question. Why do you put two, this all ones where the one is two, right?
Because that's the relationship.
But it's not x, the x is one is,
No, x is the short side. Okay, so which side of that triangle do we know? The short side, the hypotenuse, or the long side?
Short side.
How do we know it's the short side?
It looks like. Because
You're lucky I don't have anything to throw at you.
the 30 angle goes straight.
That's right.
You have a book.
Because the short side is opposite the small angle. So if the short side is x, what's the height? If the short side is 2, what's the long side? Is the measure of the angle. If the short side is 2
Then the long side is x.
meters, how long in meters is the long side of the triangle?
Question is meters.
What?
We don't know it yet.
Yes, we do.
2?
It's 12
No, that's not
over the radical.
This
Would
is
it be
hard.
Yes. The test on, you'll see, go walk over to my desk and see where to put the test and the references. I'm confused as to why this part is confusing. Okay, read to me what it says for the short side. What does it say? How long is this? What does it say about the short side?
It's x.
It's x. What does it say about the long side, Sandra? X radical 3. What does that mean to you? What does it mean to you if the short side is x and the long side is x radical 3? What? Larry, what does it mean to you? Naya, what does it mean to you? Micaiah, what does it mean?
Is that an X right there with an extra 5 on the base?
No, that's a cross out.
Oh.
I'll take a volunteer. What does it mean? What does it mean that the short side is x and the long side is x square root of 3? hypotenuse. I'm trying to understand what's confusing about this.
Me too.
Sandra, what does this mean to you? What does it mean? What I want you to tell me what it means. What are you doing here? What do you do here? What mathematical operation is this? So what do you do? What do you multiply? No? Kai, what do you multiply?
X. You multiply one.
Bill?
That's what I'm saying.
That's right. Whatever the value of x is, you multiply it by 2. Okay? What does this mean, Sandra? This one.
I don't know.
What does it say?
Wrong.
Don't you multiply the x by the radical of 3?
Thank you.
Do we have to say radical 3 or do you say like the square root?
You could say square root of 3.
I said
So
radical.
what does it mean?
Sandra, I'm asking you to read it. I'm not asking you to do anything else besides read it. That's why I'm so confused as to why you're finding this so difficult. I'm not even asking you for the math. I'm just asking you to read what it says. Okay, do you understand what it says?
Yeah.
Okay, now, I tell you that x is equal to 2. What does that mean to you that this is? If x is equal to 2, what is this? 2 radical 3. That's all. We know, we're told that this is 2. So then this, h, is 2 radical 3. That's all. That's all I was getting at. Now do you understand where it comes from?
So that's the answer?
No.
Oh.
Naya?
Yeah.
Wrong answer. Okay, obviously we need to stop here. I do not expect you to do the homework. We haven't covered what we need to cover. You're lucky you have no homework for the weekend.
Wait, you want to my homework?
It's probably wrong.
Larry, all it means is you're going to have more homework on Monday. And instead of having 3 days to do it, you'll have 1 day to do it. So before you start clapping on what a wonderful thing it was, because I'm 2 weeks behind. So we are going to get through not only this lesson, but Monday's lesson. And if I have to start doing stuff where you don't understand it, I'm going to have to start doing weekend readings. The class cannot afford to go as slowly as we went today. So before you break your arm patting yourself on the back, understand that we are going to get through the material one way or the other.
Mr. Specimen?
Who? I don't take this the wrong way.
I'm sorry. What?
It's none of your business. What?
Oh, no, it's okay.
I'm not comfortable giving
Yeah.
Alex's grades to you or anybody else. So I hope you understand. Because, Naya,
It's okay.
you wouldn't want me to give your grades to other people, would you?
when you have something to the negative fraction power, don't you simplify it?
When you add something to the negative fraction power,
Yeah. Example, a to the negative 1/8.
uh-huh,
You get over 1, and then you have a 1, a over 2, a to the 2/8 powers, and then you have, in the bottom you have square root of a to this, a to the 8th power, right?
you have no idea what you're talking about. You have to write it down for me, because I'm a visual learner. I'm not an audio learner. I can't learn by someone telling me what to do. That's why I'm very bad when someone gives me directions. If I see the directions written down, I got them in a second. But if you tell me the directions, the moment you tell me, I've already forgotten them.
Do you leave it like this?
Yes.
So you don't multiply the square root of 8.
No.
I got the first one. I want
What do you remember? Exactly.
No. The first class of how I was on the board when we graduated. Because the first school was actually a house that was donated. Y'all see what else I'm saying? Power order, that's not really good. Power order average 35 points and 21,000.
Oh, because half my class was taking a test last period. I just cut my tongue. Licking an envelope. Now the envelopes have red sticky. See?
Hey, Miss Spence.
I know, it's kind of gross.
Hey, Mr. Spence, I hit your winner. Did I hit it?
What?
That was your winner I hit. I knew.
Was that you?
Yeah.
Then yes,
Yo,
yes.
Spence, what's up, dog? Remember me, yo?
That's my home dog.
That's
like,
Mr.
see,
Spetsner's
if I know math, that's my dog right there.
Mr.
Freshman
Spetsner's
year,
zombie.
bro. I didn't know math at
Nice,
all.
always nice. Actually, I don't agree with that statement.
No, I really wasn't that good at freshman year.
No, well, you thought you were really good at it.
I thought like, yeah,
Let's go. That was the bell.
I was impulsive and very, very.
That was the bell, please. B-E-L-L, bell.
You want me to lock your door?
Do I want you to lock the door?
Yes, lock it.
But yeah, I got me a whole lot off
okay.
your window.